active, you know, already for sure.
Like, crash, stop.
Look if Nick active. Nick look like he active. But laziness take down flow over here, so.
Man turn over all car.
Don't block there.
Just see if you man, you come to man.
Chappy look active too. But don't flow asleep. We are waiting for Bossy to come back. So we can start shoot. You know, we have finished something today. So we can post. Yeah, I'm gonna get if you watch. Because some people want to cut off my neck. But hush.
Night shift and day shift. How much I move, I gotta take, I gotta 2 hours move.
So guys, me there behind the scene. We can't go too close. We can't go too close to show no drama what's going on over there. I'll come out very soon and talk up TV one.
Judas, you know what you want in us though. Swear me see Kurt moving up.
Yeah man, them are doing scene, Nick and Brittany. I think Chaplad, but it like Chaplad hiding. I don't know how I'm going, but guys, you know we see in a movie. We will come. So I'm just going to stay tuned for the new movie what's coming. I'm sorry for the late post. Yeah, big up to everybody who reach out to me and I ask what I'm going to film with them. For here, Brittany I deal with the man Fallon. Brittany run him out of the yard a while ago.
And come back to Chaplad after me carry woman.
It's like he come back to Chaplad and when he come,
After he carry
he no see Chaplad, you know, but he say here Chaplad in our house, look like Chaplad in our house with somebody. Look like Chaplad in our house with somebody. And Brittany come catch him in our yard. So like Chap in our house with somebody.
Relax yourself, Sapphire.
So no know what go on. May I show we see.
Make your foot off for me and stop dirty up my hand with your shoes.
Yes I. Brittany run him out.
Stop dirty up my clothes. You put you down. Get up.
No, Shane.
Me say why party name?
Yes, Shane, I say me to push him down for and for see. Say me to push him down for see girl I use the sitting one long sitting so. When the girl turn on he go so and I make nice. You know?
Oh, that vibrator.
One long sitting so with one like a round ball funny. And impressive.
I must see rose there.
Boy, me don't know what. So when he hold on the blood Kleenex one and talk rubbish so. And take Kleenex and then I go so and I rubbish so and I go so. Brother, me see sitting fly out so you he splurred. 2 times me say you. You not believe me?
When this gun is splurred?
He splurred 2 times. Yo, all the crowd how ended, you know?
Blouse and skirt roof burnt.
Then say, I lie, he didn't splurge for you.
Me not, yeah, if you, when people splurt, then get up and run gone.
But the people them tell
Fallon, if somebody splurt, when you splurt, now run, we're gone.
You know how me that talk, man.
Splurt gone.
You know how me that talk, man. Splurt then.
Next year splurt is.
But no splurt, that's
whatever
skirt.
that deal with them.
How are Nick?
A skirt. Girl, skirt, Fallon. For us, we don't know it right.
I want me here is it
Man feel like you up, brother, when me say when time the girl go so. You see when it fame time now for the next one. Brother, I'm weak out, that's why I stay up on the foot so. When you did it now, for the rub back for the next girl. See me? Weak you fuck.
Splurting over.
Yeah, I weak you know. Bro. As the girl rub upon him 2 times and he does get up. Can't manage. Feel a joke. Then the girl I'm in a party now with the long sweetie. I want your team down so. I try to be strong still and go on.
give man the girl we are take their friend man. Open her truck.
Where truck there?
The girl ever used to jump from man to man. Now them a jump from man to man. Open her truck. Open her truck. Open her truck. Thieving girl, open her truck. Walkless boy, open her truck. Dirty footbox, them open her truck. All of them open her truck. Walklessness, open her truck. Poverty done in her truck already. Open her truck. Balo, murder, open her truck. Crime and violence, open her truck. Yeah, politician we have backdoor dealer and the current spend, we are thief current spends about them life saving. Open her truck. Open her truck. Which other thing? Say so other thing. Open her truck. Send up Britney, open her truck with all of them there. Open her truck.
You can't be the belly and hot.
Britney hot belly, open her truck. Yes, sir. We have put up everything in our truck. Yeah, all dirtiness up in our truck. All our people, and we are take one people up in our truck. Up in our truck. People see people as strive and they look at old people them. When they see young people them serve and grudge them for their youth. Up in our truck.
Yes, sister. Yes, sister.
And it will work for them too.
And it will work for them up in our truck. And the people them will believe in a certain things. Up in our truck.
And the one them they have
yes,
God
of God. And we say God of God. No joke. Put fun and joke aside. Come, it's not left
chat people business. Open that
truck. No, I sit down for people business. But I sit down in that chair. I don't go up in that truck.
Open that truck.
Yeah, man, the truck I come for them, you know. And I lady they come.
Truck.
Yeah, man, I want blue truck.
On one side.
Yeah, I want me on my bike and plus I want big Hummer car me. I want big Hummer Jeep me a bike with a big grill on the front.
Come in.
Here, where you have your hand like a truck. When you
a chop like that, they go up in our truck.
No,
looking for a choppy, they go up in our truck.
Oh, why go up in our truck?
Looking for a chop like they go up in our truck.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, choppy up in our truck.
I do not worship.
All that dirty foot boy, them up in our truck.
Up in our truck.
I do not worship.
Yeah, man, a chop like from the
Wrap it up.
I do not worship. You know what come there? Make it clear.
Yeah, man, chop lad, get one day work on the garbage truck.
Ready?
What time TV I pass with the new job? I pass it, yes. What time
I will make call, what's a fire?
Wow!
Yeah, fine. Said kilo, you take it said today.
Fire.
Just get you up and he lose you up. Fire. Hi. Come, mommy, come. For everybody when I press like it, and you can just press like on the video. Might as well not press like because if you don't watch a video come this far, all if you just start. Press like. You can share up the video also. Everybody in our comment section, big up to myself. All in the whole world. You understand? Big up to myself. With their movie shooting.
Si one lang din ako. Weh, nasa yun. Makum na. Look, you see him? Weh, look under this in the middle. Fire, you know. You go. Come here. Oh, see. Me was in just fly. They love it, that cheese.
Boom.
Yo, man, say you about toes there.
Boys, come on,
Them a
man.
full heap of money.
Yeah.
I say two of them one time. How much one?
But man says it.
How much you want?
Yeah.
2, 3 grand.
2 cheese,
The
guys.
man want 6 grand you want.
No, hold on now. What you want for one eye bird? What you want for one eye bird? 3 grand. One of them. How much you want for the next one?
Yeah, yo, come here,
So hold
brother.
on, man. Yo, hold on. Remember, say you're done. Make pay price already. This man they make pay price. What you say? How much you want for your 2 bird?
Come back, man. Get up with the old man.
Too much.
Jenny, I go be sitting them now.
6.
Anytime I'm ready, I'll
6
know
grand you
my
want
Black,
for
why be
2 of
sitting
them?
them now?
Ready?
How much you say for it?
I'm gonna flip it out again.
1,000.
The one?
No, 1,000 for
You
one.
like that? You like that?
Look at my handset, look. I push him big finger in there. You feel what we are?
Yo, I don't see ball plate more.
You feel like we are going
$1,000 there.
Eh,
That's why I feel like you're going finger big on you.
Right now, I want
Finger
when?
I'll tell you before me go, man. Go check them.
Yeah, look how I am. The ground look.
Next week. That job plan.
Bomba. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Blacks.
go kill him next week.
That grow fat.
So you go raise the money go up.
Bufu make like 4, 5. 5.
yeah, you are Nick. I'm
Go
following.
raise him.
Four food that.
What you say if you
I
wait till next week?
4 correct what?
If next week
Yes.
comes.
My money there.
Go sit down, yes.
Oh, yeah, go.
Yo,
Go
Black,
happy in there.
Black
Oh,
say
shit.
next
Money in my
week.
bus.
I want
I'll come get.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Where you go drive? The bus?
I drive.
Sugar for one
Tell
of
him,
them.
you
man, say,
drive.
yo, me wait till next week to take
flat out.
take your bird.
Sugar for one of them. Cola. Go so
So I go there.
The money go raise.
Outside, a little black one, I see so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Blacks.
A real businessman, you know.
You know, see camera there.
Can go after feed him. You go after feed him.
I go pick up the food.
Look there.
You know some of my money, brother?
Can go after feed him.
Much you say?
Black.
You business fees.
So yo, brother, next you see a 6 January that want to feed this a week, you feed 2 of them.
I chop you see him, they go win if he come.
Yeah,
Give me money.
Give me money. I'm
Go
going to give me
give
back.
him. No, me go give him. Where you get
It's a
this?
sum up.
Oh, give me card, me forget change all time.
But see how you shoot the bird, you know.
4 grand.
4 grand.
5, 2,
So for me and Nick food at 2.6.
Good, no Black. See, I chop me line so hard, brother.
5 what, Colin?
Yeah, man, saying you take 4 grand. Eh?
Yeah, take 4 grand and give me 2 and you get 2.
Brother, 15 bills, me have feed 2 of them, dog.
50. Me boss you, man. If I did me have them, me boss you.
Why you say Black, that can't work.
More 50 call. Brother, for your price too high.
Brother, you give me too much price, brother. Yeah,
Brother, your
50,000 you reach
chest
now,
high,
brother.
brother. 4 grand.
4 grand for 2 birds. Black, you let me to a dog. Cause I remember see a shot one of them in one of them
Brother,
bruises.
take 2 grand. Me can't give me ball plate. Me
No.
shot one gear.
Watch out now. Me have to go.
Can't give me ball.
Watch out now. Me have to go buy purple dress now and dress the bird. You know. Remember say me can buy man in dead, you know. You see it?
Yo, me actually
Cause I remember see a shot him in a Blacks.
give me a boy. Me not fire.
I bet you not giving them curry goat, you know.
You know, curry goat, curry goat. Yo, this is what it is. I want to
Blacks
black.
are bad, the Blacks say yo, that to kill
Yo,
them.
why
I
time?
to kill Blacks.
Me and him out of Blackie, you know, and Blackie tell him to give me $100. I read to bro, but tell him no. You tell him no. No,
Fire.
food. No man, money. No.
Let's be man one.
The real businessman in the Blacks, you know.
No.
Yo, no crab now run Blacks. No crab now run up and down.
I mean, eat it for
Oh,
them.
yeah.
Go and
Boy,
check
crab
some. You love crab
boy.
too? You love when you curry with rice?
Yo, alright, no.
Pepper, spicy. No.
Tonight, more good
Not
than a
too pepper,
film
not too
yard
pepper.
man.
Crab that come out now, Joe.
Look at this.
That dirty.
They might run at night time.
That dirty, mama. That dirty, no good again.
What are you doing?
can't help you because you go too fast. So to blood, I'm looking at back here, but you know the grip plate, man. Back full of fun. So they say, yo, Ruben. They say, yo. You know the style.
what I did.
No, it's style already, man. Man say, yo, every man, just go on that car, man, and do that. Go in that car. So just look come up.
I'm alone or two of them.
Go on again. Show a thing upon them, man. Go on again. The only thing not giving a hard time, you know? Just cool.
Walk this big. Come on, walk, come sleep. Walk this fat.
Look at her, junker. Boca room.
Even though I'm on a 2-star hotel.
Boca room.
We are going to catch crab later. You come, Brittany? Oh, you're far for go. Yeah. We have like sugar and crocus bag.
Crocus bag. The teeth for crocus bag if we can't get none.
Okay, Sam.
Or buy one.
See, sugar have crocus bag there, so you must have more than one. Right there, so.
I'm not going to deepest.
empty and give it. If we are got deepest, anyway, Lord lead we.
The purple crab them make me like.
Keep left. Think of driving class I go.
Crab them they one day.
Sweeter than the second one there.
Them the one them like.
Drive, we not have to coward before
Put in your kaboot, man. Kaboot, you pedal.
Never floor bus get choppy.
Run.
Yo,
man. Remember, I seat that right there.
of course me go up on it. Yeah, me never go on it.
We never go on here to come about. Now start video I'll show you.
Okay.
Where you there?
Alright, foul, you want to start again?
Run and put on a sugar yard.
Want to start, but you have to put it down.
Alright, Falan.
Yes?
Set up. Me can't get your next scene right on the kitchen.
Alright.
Set up in there. Oh, come out. Set up the bag there. Ready now.
Baby asleep.
Alright, let's put the baby one side. Take out Justin and play for place. Take out Brittany too. Then Brittany go a bush.
How fast are you?
Brown man drop asleep, Panny. That woman run him out. What if you drop asleep, Panny, brown man? Yo! Watch out, man.
Boy, take up one car management.
Go and kill him, man. Jesus Christ, no.
Yeah, your mother there.
Come on, come help you. Save your life, young man. Come
man.
save your life and save your wife. Hold this. You know what? As big as you want. Your blood too sweet. Yo, listen, man. If when I realize you have that drop asleep on it, you want bitters, brother. Hold this.
I go with a chair.
Youth, I teach me youth. You see you? You get in trouble, you know.
Go ahead, you.
And when you get in trouble, I know your man run come to my yard, no, because I can't manage two women, you know. And I have virgin, and two me no want help her right now. I have too much already. You notice how my woman strong.
Yo, see what you want.
I don't want to feel woman, hold this.
You take a drink and for yourself, you know.
And tap the asleep on it.
I'm going to
Hey,
go on,
drink this and tap the asleep, man.
Go on, brother.
You ever hear about rose?
Yo, go on.
Anytime rose step in your life, you get show out.
Me, my lack of light, I think about me.
How will you say about rose again, right?
That rose going in your life, boy, done.
Are you a come? And the devil have come with you, lick over my mouth and he want me drink rum. So hear me I say now. Come out here, because we don't want no car lick you, know.
I don't care now, come past.
Yeah,
I hear what you're saying.
What you say? You have your name? You have your woman and your virgin
Virgin left condom in my vehicle, virgin. I know my woman out to kill me, virgin. I get licked from left, right, and center, virgin. Right now, I'm a virgin, I go check right now. I hear the whole of my time.
You go check him and talk to him decent.
I mean, man, if he violate me, just give him one.
No, none of that, man. Hear me answer, man. Hear me answer.
Take man the Bible that can't help me right now.
Hear me answer. Let's say we turn the next cheek. But I'm not tell him to turn the next cheek.
No, sir.
I tell him to just talk to him and give him a week. You understand?
Turn next cheek.
Alright. Just talk to him and give him a week. So what you want? What you want to do? Just go to him calm and polite and make him know. Say, yo, what you do, my friend, it's wrong. And it's causing my relationship. And as a virgin, I don't want this to come between us and then we stop Paul because we are come from far. Just give him a normal talk and make him come apologize to your woman and sort it out. You know, I forgot that with the violence, you know.
Pastor, me hear what you're saying, you know.
Yeah.
But take your advice, you know.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Look more.
Wait there. You know, so me just preach so and me just do a little service, offering.
Pastor, come on.
Cool, man. You see me how do you got to work in that? We don't have a church, you know. Give me half, man. Give me half.
Pastor Silva.
We don't have a church, but we still a collect
Pastor,
an
me let the
offering.
bus round now, yeah. Told me I move fast with everything. And me want
I
it
collect
tonight.
your offering, man. Know yourself.
Next time, I give a big offering.
Know yourself, man.
Next time, yeah. You're good, you. Yeah, listen what you're saying.
Yeah, man. You're good.
Listen what you're.
Alright. Rough people, you know, man. Aye. Oh, yeah. Me soon book a real client still. Just want to build one like a church and kind 1 million member. Everybody give me $100. $100 million, that's enough.
Yo, there.
Oh, yes. A drink, pasta, drink.
All the cuss bad word.
I pasta, man.
What happened? Yeah, look, yeah, see.
Right, Missy pasta put back like that while
Yes,
ago.
even a drink already passed.
Fuck, sir, what kind of...
No, no.
This a pastor if you go up in a truck. All I pastor them we are preach and a drink up in a truck. Remember this morning up in a truck. Yeah man, new
But
movie.
say when the pastor them wet them out, you know, with liquor in the man. Speak.
A lick you want to splurt out that place.
The pastor they wet them
More
out.
time.
So,
Run! Hey, man! Not that team, man! Not. See half in the pan. Yeah, half in the face I come like you can't see ya. Lock up!
You know what's the catch strokes?
See ya.
man, a peep in town, man.
You know, man, I peep tired.
I read the escape quote where you tell me about. I don't know my name. No wonder I don't know what I say a while ago, man.
But under me nose.
What is under my nose?
Your mouth,
No, sir.
I'm out.
your beard,
You don't know where you're bearded, man.
No, man, see
your
now.
mouth stash.
And then that, no.
Your mouth stash under your nose.
Many, bro.
What under?
Yeah, should have them man and them bite there. Why you up on the back?
Right back there.
Don't man, please. Don't turn up asleep.
Go bro man sleep. You turn up asleep in a big glass shoe.
Come on the pan.
No sir, every minute he must
See a
sleep.
Fremont growing us drop asleep on the bicycle.
Brother,
Brown man, you're not doing that.
Nice, right?
no bro man so
Not
tired.
doing that. You can't like one. You can't remember again. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, you can't even find it. I get to life sweet. No bet to me. No do not.
Just company.
No circle on the road. Come far road. Circle on the road. Alright, 2 circles. Rep. Take you up.
No Betty milk.
No, not. No, only bun.
I want the galingo and that's asleep. I want the galingo.
No.
Every look you look on galingo and they drop asleep.
So when I say night come.
No sir,
Yeah.
stop do security work. I can't watch work you over there for
So
do.
when I say night time come. I had up on the
All
grabber.
they walk and sleep. Every turn you turn up on him and sleep.
Don't no security.
I double walk up
No,
him
you
over there
blood
for do.
clot,
He get
yeah.
car wash work for do and he like him a do security work too. He can't wall up.
I don't know what.
Galingo, walk straight.
I like him, I watch guy 24 hours.
Him a watch girl 24/7 a galingo. A galingo. Your name change and a dumpling man again. Watch him. Walk like he shit up. Die your bed when that pussy. Well, hold on, squat it.
No turn.
I look at your fart. Hush up. Shut up. I would like you wanna. Brooklyn man dog. I wanna say where you live. Yeah, true. Are you real? That puppy are from you. I'm real. But the puppy in growth or puppy size. The puppy don't remember him. Are you really run as a dumpler? Like get big one now, we don't remember you. Alright. Go on in the bus, start sleep, you're going to go sleep. And you see, you think? Road. Set yourself good, man. You sleep too much, man. I'm on a dumping man dog. I saw you go puppy and get big. You remember I mean go to your side. Wicked up.
I'm asleep.
Still asleep. You can't hold up. You don't know what to dumpler. Oh God. God help you, because I can't help you, no, brother. Tell her that. And I don't eat, you eat too much.